Is your CPU clocks dropping? Is it thermal throttling? Hope you know what is thermal throttling. Is your PC thermal throttling too? If you don't know yet, let's find out. I am Titan, you are watching Tech ASAP, let's begin. First of all, you have to know what is the normal operating temperature of a CPU. So what is it? Well, it depends. If you are using a laptop, it is around 95 degrees Celsius, and if you are using desktop, it is 75 to 85 degrees Celsius. Basically, it is below 100 degrees Celsius and above ambient temperature, unless you want to teach your CPU how to swim in condensation. Speaking of swimming, help this video swim in likes. Like this video. Just imagine what will happen if your CPU is not cooled correctly. The CPU temperature is going to rise well above normal operating temperature because CPUs produce heat, as you all know. The amount of heat produced depends on the TDP of the CPU, as I have explained in earlier video. So what will happen if there is no way to stop this increasing heat? The CPUs will simply damage itself. This is what happened to the first CPUs. They got burnt. To tackle this, dynamic frequency scaling was introduced. Just like subscribe button was introduced to you to get subscribed to Tech ASAP. What are you waiting for? Do that. You will see more videos if you do so. Then you might ask, Titan, what is dynamic frequency scaling? Dynamic frequency scaling is a power management technique in computer architecture. This allows the frequency of the microprocessor to be adjusted on the fly depending on the needs. This helps to conserve power and reduce the heat output by the chip. This helps to preserve battery in mobile devices. This also reduces cooling costs as well as noise in quiet computing mode. This is also useful as security measure for overheating system. Hence, it is also called as thermal throttling or CPU throttling. Dynamic frequency scaling almost always appears with dynamic voltage scaling, since lowering frequencies require lowering voltage. Hence, it is called dynamic voltage and frequency scaling, DVFS for short. CPU throttling is also called as automatic underclocking. Then you might say, Titan, speak English. Well, basically, thermal throttling is a safety feature which allows the CPU to cool itself down by slowing down when it thinks it is too hot, so that it won't die of heat stroke. It also allows the CPU to work faster when it thinks it has enough cooling. That is as simple as it gets. You know what is more simple? Sharing this video. I'll be happy if you do that. Thank you for watching.